Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxinescorner. Today we are making some blueberry pound cake, so let's get started. And did I mention it was gluten-free? Let's get going. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. And we are starting with 1.5 cups of almond flour. That's my other half, almond flour. To that, I am adding 1/2 cup of arrowroot flour, starch, powder, whatever you want to call it. I'm adding 1/8 teaspoons of allspice, pinch of salt, 1/8 teaspoons of flax-meal, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Go ahead and mix everything together. Make sure everything is well combined. 1/2 cup of blueberries. 1/3 cups of castor sugar, and just mix everything together like so. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of oat milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix everything together and add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. Okay. Mix everything together. This is not going to make a big pound cake. Perfect consistency. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Just mix this all together like so. Everything is well combined. I'm gonna add a few blueberries on top. Okay. Push them in just a little bit, not too much. As you may see here, a blueberry gluten-free pound cake. All right, put this in the oven. Okay, my healthy people, this is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious, small, yummy, gluten-free. Let's go ahead. It's completely cooled, so let's go ahead and just turn this over. Make sure it comes all the way out. Just give it a few knock-a-doodles. Woo! Look at that! And the piece of resistance. Let's put a little bit of powdered sugar all over our blueberry pound cake. Okay, my healthy people, here we have it. Our blueberry pound cake, absolutely delicious, gluten-free, perfect for the entire family. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. The recipe and ingredients will be in the description box. I'll see you guys next time in another video, and say with me, stay healthy.